Now for the salad portion, you need a Napa cabbage. And Napa cabbage, you may have seen it in the store and don't really know what to do with it. It's just a more leafy, like lettuce cabbage. And I really like the texture of it because we're gonna be using red cabbage that's a little more dense. So I've removed the outer leaves that were kind of funky and rinsed this. And I'm just gonna chop it in little slices. Okay, and this makes about 2 cups if you're using like a medium size cabbage. I don't like to go much further than this because this gets really hard. The flavor kind of changes to almost a jicama type flavor. And I'm gonna make some smaller slices. I'm gonna put that in our bowl here. And then we're gonna slice up some red cabbage. So I've taken the core out of the cabbage. You don't need a lot of this, but it is nice for color. I like to eat as many colors as I can. I just feel healthier, getting lots of nutrients. Maybe a little more choppy. My husband always says, don't chop it that way. He's probably saying that right now. He likes the longer slices. See, but if you don't do those, you get these little pieces like that.